Hello, so if you want to know how to be a millionaire online, this is probably the quickest and easiest way that I can think of. And obviously I've got to start talking about free stuff because you're not a millionaire yet, and this isn't a guaranteed system, but it will certainly help you on your way. So the first thing I would recommend is Cam Studio. If you're going to do any kind of informational marketing or you're going to teach people about anything, this sort of thing, Cam Studio is open source software, which means it's completely free. So it's free streaming video software. You can kind of you can capture your screen, and it's completely free. Now you do have to pay for some of them, but this one's probably the best one I found so far, and it is free. The next one is Microsoft Movie Maker. So if you're on PC, Movie Maker's a great one. If you're on Mac, I believe there is a free one built into a Mac anyway. I'm not a Mac user, unfortunately. I'm going to convert fairly soon, I think. But Movie Maker is really good because it's free video editing software. So once you've actually once you've grabbed all of your screen data, then you can edit it in Movie Maker, make it small, add stuff over the top, that sort of thing. Another thing which I haven't included in this preamble is a program called Wax. So if you say Wax Video Editor, that's really good because that has green screen as well. So if you've got sort of green screen facilities at home, that's great. And maybe I'll do a little video about that later on. The next one is Facebook. Now Facebook's really good for having fan pages. The difference between fan pages and your own personal account is that fan pages can have as many fans as you want. It's not limited to the 5,000 fans that a personal account is. So if you're going to be building a list and building a following online, then Facebook's really good for that. And also you can customize these fan pages like this, so that you can actually say like. Now obviously I've already liked it and I'm already logged in as the admin, there's me, but when people land on this page, that's what they'll see. They'll see the like button, and maybe I'll do a video about exactly how to customize all this a bit later on, but obviously I've got to kind of get cracking on this. The second one is, if you don't already have a Facebook account, just sign up for one. So all you have to do is go to facebook.com and then sign in here. So enter your name, all of the details, and then just click on sign up, and then connect with all of the other people. If you don't already have a Facebook account, the other option is to grab your cave wife by the hair and drag her back for a slice of dinosaur meat. Now Rockmelt. Rockmelt is really cool actually. It's a brand new browser from Silicon Valley. And basically what it does, I don't know whether you can see all this stuff here, these are all of my RSS feeds and Twitter accounts and all of that sort of stuff, and here are all my Facebook friends down here, or at least the ones that are logged in. Now what you can do, you can click on share, and what it then does is to say, it basically puts out a tweet, so you can select your Twitter accounts, you can send it as a Facebook message, and that will then instantly, as soon as I click on tweet, it will just go off to everyone. So the other thing you can do as well is, if there was a link on here, so for example you can do this and you can post it to one of these people. So just click on that and then you can send it as a message, put it as a wall. I mean, Rockmelt is absolutely brilliant, and I cannot recommend it enough, and again it's completely free. TweetDeck, now you can either use TweetDeck Chrome, which is a web-based application. You can use it on your Android phone, you can use it on your iPad, iPhone, or iPod Touch, and you can also download it onto your desktop. Again, completely free, but what it does is to allow you to manage your Facebook account, Twitter account, MySpace, LinkedIn, Foursquare and Buzz accounts, and I think there may be another one as well which I'm forgetting. If I have forgotten that, then I'm really sorry about that, but there's loads of different social media that can be handled through TweetDeck now. The other contender is Hootsuite, but I don't really use that very much, especially since TweetDeck Chrome has come out. I just prefer TweetDeck because I can use it on my iPhone. The next one is TweetAdder. Now TweetAdder is not entirely free. They do have a free trial. What it allows you to do is to add loads and loads of people to your Twitter following, or to your Twitter followings. So I've got it on here. Let's just see if I can do this. These are 4 accounts. I'm actually managing this one for my client, but these are the 3 that I'm mainly running. I've also got Neil Trigger, so look me up at Neil Trigger. But here we've got Mantea, which has got 2,377 followers. Myo Updates went over 10,000 yesterday, so I'm really happy about that. And NetShine is 3,000. So in total, I've got over 15,000 people following me on Twitter. And the way that this works is that you can actually get it to automatically follow people, and then they hopefully will follow you back, and if they don't, then you can unfollow them as well. You can automate tweets. Now, I wouldn't recommend automating them. You can also go into a tweet generator, which I won't go into too much detail here, but once you've done that, then you can actually you can generate tweets. They're automated tweets. But yeah, so here we want to know how to use leverage, generate income from, make money from, blah blah blah, and then that generates automated unique tweets from here. So we want to know how to leverage Facebook, want to know how to use Facebook, want to know how to generate income from the blogosphere. So it takes each variable and then creates a unique tweet from that. So I wouldn't do that too much. I'd obviously intersperse those with personal messages and that sort of thing, and you can limit how many you do. But the free version will give you up to 250 followers, so that's pretty cool. Aweber, TweetDeck as well. Here's the shortened URL so that you can actually get that. So it's dink.at/73.htm. Aweber is an autoresponder, and it's everyone, internet marketers all over the world, are constantly saying the money's in the list, and it's absolutely true. If you don't have a list, you're probably not making money online. So if you want that one, that's $19 a month. So again, it's not going to break the bank. But if you want that, go to dink.at/78.htm. Remember not to put an L on the end. It's not HTML, it's HTM. Mantea. Now this one I've got a vested interest in, I have to say. But this one is the Essential Social Media Guide, and it's completely free. That's me there. So if you go to dink.at/72.htm, that will give you a bit of an insight into what the free social media guide is, how to use more techniques and that sort of stuff, and some of this stuff is also repeated in there, but it goes into a lot more depth because obviously I've only got 10 minutes on YouTube. So enter your name and your email address, sign up now, and then we'll send it to you as a PDF. So that's dink.at/72.htm. Then there's neiltrigger.com. Again, that's me, but this is for a free persuasion audio course. It's the first week of my audio course. Now the audio course normally goes for £500 a week, but I'm giving away the first one for completely free, only to invitees. So as you're watching this on YouTube, you are invited, so then you can go along to neiltrigger.com and get that. And also mantea.com. Now Mantea is an email persuasion software. You can click on view demo to find out a bit more, but basically, very basically, what it is it analyzes incoming email, so then when you reply to that email, it makes your reply very persuasive. So although Mantea is not free, it's £500, well, $497. We do have lots of hints and tips on here. We've got under the testimonials, there's also white papers being uploaded all the time, and there's a newsletter as well that you can sign up for. There's a few bits of data on here, but mainly it will be through the newsletter. So sign up to the newsletter, click on there, and that's that. So I hope that was useful. Very quick information on how to be an internet millionaire. So my name's been Neil Trigger. If you want to talk to me, please email me via this website, so neiltrigger.com. You will need to sign up first, and then you'll gain access. So yeah, visit me at neiltrigger.com and email me if you have any questions. Thanks very much for watching.